When paddling back to the beach with an unconscious casualty, beware of waves breaking over you and ensure that you brace the casualty's legs to avoid losing control. Once in the shallows, remove the leash from your leg. This will allow you to drag the casualty up the beach without the risk of tripping over your board or leash. If you're on your own, the easiest way to drag a casualty is under the armpits. If someone is able to help you, you should ask them to lift the casualty's legs to help you carry them up the beach. Before laying them on their back, parallel to the shore, make sure that they're far enough away from the water's edge, especially if the tide is coming in. At this stage, you should check for a response, extend the airway by tilting the head backwards, and check for breathing. It is important to note that due to the current COVID situation, you should avoid close contact with the casualty's face, as if they have been recovered from the water, they may be coughing and foaming from the mouth and nose. If possible, use a makeshift face shield to cover your mouth and nose. Check to see if they're breathing or not by looking for a rise and fall of the chest. Do not place your ear next to the casualty's mouth to listen for breathing, as this may increase the risk of infection. If the casualty is breathing normally, place them in the recovery position as shown and call an ambulance. If they are not breathing, call 999 for an ambulance straight away. If there are other people around, ask them to do this for you, and also ask them to fetch a defibrillator if one is nearby. Turn the casualty's head away from you, lock your hands together and push down on the centre of the chest, approximately 5 to 6 centimetres deep at a rate of 2 per second. Do not deliver mouth-to-mouth breaths. Do compression-only CPR. Continue chest compressions for as long as you can, either until the ambulance arrives or if you get tired and someone else can take over from you. If a defib is available, use it as soon as possible and follow the instructions on the machine.